understanding your thread is a bit different. So when a lot of people think of thread, they think of a sewing thread, which is a single strand of thread. Now, embroidery thread is a bit different. So you'll want to grab the thread off the thread card that matches the symbol that you're about to stitch. So to grab some off, you just grab the little tab here, pull it out, and then you want to grab about 30 centimeters to work with. And then you'll grab your pair of scissors, snip that off. You can secure your end back in so that it doesn't unwind anymore. And then what you need to do is look at your thread. So your thread is actually made up of 6 individual strands. So it's very different to a sewing thread, which is just one strand. It has got 6 strands that you're working with. Now each pattern has its own number of strands to use. So you can find on your thread card how many strands we recommend you use for this particular pattern. So this one says use 3 strands. So what we would do to get our 3 strands, because we don't want all 6, is we would grab one and pinch the rest between our other 2 fingers and grab one out and just gently tug on that one strand until it's free from the rest. So you've got now 1 strand, and then you'll just repeat that same action until you've got all 3 strands that you need. Now I recommend pulling one at a time, because if you pull multiple, often they'll get tangled. So now you've got 3 strands here, but you've also got your 3 strands here. So what you just need to do now that you've got your 3 strands pulled out is just line them back up, straighten them all back together, and then once you've got your 3 strands, you can thread them through the eye of your needle. Now this can be a little bit tricky sometimes and can be a little bit fiddly, but you just need to work them through with pinching it between your fingers and work it through like that until all 3 strands go through the eye of the needle and you've got a threaded needle. You can also get things like needle threaders, which can sometimes help as well if you're really struggling with getting that thread through the eye of the needle.